So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix CS2 sound on wrong side and the audio is reversed. So how to turn this back like normal. So how to do this, let's get started. First what you need to do is press your Windows key and then search for mono and click on turn mono audio on or off. Here make sure the mono audio is turned off, and you just have to restart your PC and restart your game again. And after this, hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can make a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.